Hi, this is Glenn from Dana Ridge. Today we're introducing the COMET machine. This is one of our most popular machines. It's popular with motorcycle guys, diesel pump, reconditioners, very versatile cabinet, useful size. Let's have a look inside. Okay, as you can see, it comes with an abrasive resistant turntable. It comes with a tool post. These are all standard. The tool post, you can either put the piece in front of the gun and process it that way, or you can remove the gun from the tool post and blast the part, depending on what's most comfortable for you. If anything drops, then this will catch on the top grid plate here. If it goes further down into the sump, there's a filter in there that will stop it from going through where it's not supposed to. We've got blast resistant curtains all the way around. That provides the protection so the fiberglass doesn't take the brunt of the blast. Alright, just to give you an idea of the size, I've put a 12-inch rule on the turntable. This turntable will hold up to 50 kilos in weight. It also turns to make it easier for you when you've got a part that you need to get to different angles on. Okay, as you can see, you've got fluorescent lights here providing light. You've got the white curtains reflect it nicely so you get good visibility in this machine. You've got a vent up the top that stops the pressurization of the cabinet and allows for good visibility. And here you have a window wiper run by an electric motor, and you've got a window spray, so it keeps good vision so that you can see what you're doing. We also have a rinse gun available, so that after you finish blasting your part you can give it a rinse down. Okay, so here at the back of the machine we've got the glandless pump that does the work, pushes the slurry up through this pipe and into the machine where it's split. Some of it goes to the process gun, some of it goes down to agitate the sump, get plenty of agitation. The water supply is attached here to the 1/2-inch fitting. You can either run it from the mains water supply direct into the machine just to run your window wash and your rinse gun, or you can use the optional recirculating tank, and that would plug back into here and that will turn it into a fully closed loop system. We'll cover that in a different video. The COMET machine is quite useful because it comes in either single phase like it is here, or in 3-phase depending on what kind of setup you have in your workshop. And here we have the overflow, so as the water level rises just from the window wash, it will dribble out through here taking any waste media or waste product with it. You can again set that up in a recirculating system so that it all becomes fully closed loop, or you can run this to a suitable drain. And down here we have a ball valve that you can use to drain the machine whenever you need to. Okay, these are the operating pedals to activate the machine. So you have to make sure the door's closed because there's a limit switch for safety reasons. So once the door's closed, then you click the air off pump start button. That will get the slurry flowing to the gun. Then once you've got that flowing, then you can turn the air on, and that will atomize using the compressed air over the top of the slurry. And when you want to stop, you just click the all stop. And this is where we plug our compressed air line into. We've got a regulator here that we can adjust. You wouldn't want to go any higher than 80 or 90 psi. You'll just end up smashing your media up and not gaining a lot of extra use out of it. This machine has a 28 litre sump. It'll take 5 to 7 kilos of blast media. You can run anything you like through it, just not steel shot. It'll ruin the pump otherwise. It's got a urethane line pump. If you think that this machine would be suitable for your needs, certainly give us a call here at Dana Ridge. Check out our website, www.dana-ridge.com.au.